In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel on Leadpages in just 5 minutes. The Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool that allows you to track the actions people take on your website, helping you measure the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. So, let's dive right into it and get your Leadpages set up with Facebook Pixel. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Leadpages. Once you've done that, from the search results, find and select the first result or the link that clearly shows the leadpages.com URL. This will ensure that you're heading to the correct site. When you've reached the Leadpages homepage, look for the Login button and click on it. After that, you need to enter your credentials. Make sure your login details are accurate to access your account seamlessly. Before moving forward, ensure that you have your Pixel code ready to go. You can find this Pixel code by visiting the Events Manager on your Facebook account. Once you have that copied and ready, you're all set to proceed. Now that you're logged into your Leadpages account, go to the Landing Pages section. This is where things start to come together. Open up the Leadpages editor by selecting the page you wish to add the Pixel code to. Within the editor, look for the Settings option. If you're using the drag-and-drop templates, keep an eye out for the SEO and Analytics icon in the left side menu. This is where you'll be able to manage your tracking codes. With those settings in view, locate the box labeled Head Section Tracking Code. This area is specifically designated for your tracking elements, making it the perfect spot to embed your Pixel code. Next, paste the Facebook Pixel code you copied earlier directly into this box. You've now placed the Pixel code where it can effectively track and gather valuable analytics data. It's a critical part of understanding visitor behavior and optimizing your website's performance with the collected data. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. This ensures that the Facebook Pixel code is effectively integrated into the page, and you can start benefiting from the insights it provides. And there you have it, a straightforward and quick method to integrate Facebook Pixel into Leadpages, enhancing your ability to track and analyze the actions of your audience. With these insights, you can tailor more effective campaigns and improve your online presence. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to improve your web analytics and online marketing strategies. Happy tracking!